If you are looking for the best disc sander, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular. Wendt 6502T Belt and Disc Sander. The Wendt 6502T is sure to draw your attention with its 2-in-1 sanding capability. The package of the product includes both a 4x36-inch belt sander and a 6x6-inch disc sander. If you have the need to work in a vertical position with the belt, then you can just tilt it 90 degrees. The base of the sander is made from heavy-duty cast iron, making it a sturdy machine with almost no such wobbling or shaking. The machine comes with a 4.3 amp, 1.2 HP motor delivering you with a speed of up to 3,600 RPM. Number 2. Rockwell Belt Disc Combo Sander. The 41-pound Rockwell is a well-constructed and rigid machine made from steel. With the 2-in-1 feature, you will have both a disc sander and a belt sander in one machine. The machine is operated with a 4.3 amp powerful motor featuring a disc speed of 3,450 RPM. You can work in both vertical and horizontal positions, adjusting the platform from 0 to 90 degrees. Working with beveled positions is tough, that's why Rockwell introduced a sanding table adjustable from 0 to 45 degrees. The disc table is constructed from cast aluminum. Number 3. Makita GV5010 Disc Sander. The Makita lightweight disc sander is ideal for carpentry as it is only 2.6 lbs. In weight. The sander is powered by a 3.9 amp electrical motor running on the AC power supply. The motor is capable of producing 5,000 RPM maximum speed. Ball and needle bearings ensure that the motor has an expanded lifespan. Safety and comfort are the two main concerns that Makita has worked on this tool. There is rubberized mold over the motor housing, giving you better accuracy. It also has a rubberized grip for the comfort of operation and control. Number 4. Rikon 5112 Belt and Disc Sander. With a cast iron base and steel constructed belt bed, the Rikon 5112 is one of the most durable tools in the market. Both disc sander and belt sander can be used by it. The sander has a powerful 1.2 horsepower motor with a 4.3 amp and 120 volt rating. It achieves a belt speed of 1900 SFPM and the 6th disc has a speed of 3,450 RPM. The 4-inch x 36-inch belt sander can easily be tilted 0 to 90 degrees. The cast aluminum constructed disc table can also be rotated 0 to 45 degrees. Number 5. BUCKTOOL BD 4603 Belt Disc Sander. BUCKTOOL BD 4603 is a great option if you are considering heavy-duty work. Constructed from iron, this sander will act as both a belt sander and a disc sander. The motor of the BUCKTOOL has a power of 3.4 horsepower, which is more than enough to do large sanding operations. The motor has a current rating of 0.5 amp. The 6 sanding disc will run at a 3,450 RPM speed, allowing you to move materials more quickly.